This is a new era. Our society is reckoning with a surge in globally networked, racist, xenophobic, extremist movements. We will only be able to face this crisis if we understand anti-Semitism's role in the rising white supremacy that threatens all we hold dear. We need the next special envoy to monitor and combat anti-Semitism to know this too. Anti-Semitic conspiracy theories claim Jewish responsibility for Black brilliance in order to undermine Black-led movements for justice. Too often, the same people using those dangerous claims turn around and accuse progressive people of color who criticize the Israeli government of anti-Semitism. Meanwhile, there's no room to confront the racism and anti-Semitism that Jews of color experience every single day. Racist conspiracy theories wrongly cast climate-induced migration as a Jewish plot to replace the white race.
You've gotten a lot of pushback for that tweet claiming that George Soros was paying Hondurans to get on a caravan.
This idea was promoted by the white nationalist who killed 11 Jews in Pittsburgh. But that was not an isolated incident. In recent years, racist extremists from Norway to Christchurch to El Paso have used climate fears to justify murder, each drawing inspiration from the last. White supremacists, like the man who attacked a synagogue in Halle, Germany, blame feminism for declining birth rates as a part of a larger Jewish conspiracy. The same authoritarianism that feeds on undermining Jewish safety also requires attacking women's freedom and limiting queer and trans rights. We need the next special envoy to be committed to treating the fight against anti-Semitism as a part of the fight for just, multiracial democracy around the world and here at home. We need a new envoy for a new era.